Okay, 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 okay. I'd like to, ano, no? I'd like to, kasi sabi ko, balik na ako sa pagiging financial coach. So, I think this is going to be officially the first, ano, no, first personal finance related vlog ko, no? And magandang topic yung gold at the moment because it's the current hyped investment instrument. So tapos na tayo nung mga nakaraan, no? Na nakakatawa lang kasi whenever there's a hype, no? People are trying to buy, invest doon sa hype. Like for example, years ago, no, there was a hype sa NFTs. Asan na yung NFTs ngayon, no? Kesyo tataas ang value ng NFT. I don't even understand what NFT is, no? So wala na rin ngayon, no? A few years ago, there was a hype din sa cryptocurrencies. And at the moment, Bitcoin lang yung namamayagpag, no? Mainly, of course, there are others then, no? And I don't even understand and I don't even accept, no, yung value ng Bitcoin at the moment. Anyway, years ago, no, before the COVID BS, there was also a hype, no, sa VUL. And nawala rin, no, yung hype na yun. Bottom line, no, merong mga hina-hype lagi ng mga produkto and at this day and age, no, at this point ng vlog ko, gold ang naka-hype. As a matter of fact, a few weeks ago, nag all-time high ang gold, no? 3,000 plus something per ounce, no? So all-time high talaga yung gold lately. And a lot of people are scrambling, no, na makabili ng gold. But is it really the best time for you to buy gold, no? Tulad nung sinasabi ng mga nag-hype. Yung mga nang-hype, no, normally they are selling. They're sellers, they're agents, they're selling gold. Hina-hype nila kasi they're selling. Kasi kung hindi nila i-hype, walang bibili nung binibenta nila. So at the moment, yes, ang gold is namamayagpag, but as a financial planner, I am trying to make you understand that now is not really the best time to buy gold. And I'm showing you na I have gold, no? Ayan. So, but despite the fact na meron akong gold, I do not really recommend that you buy gold at the moment unless it's for hedging. So kung mayaman ka na at gusto mo lang ma-preserve yung value, no, ng kapangyarihan ng purchasing power mo, then hedging pwede siya. But if you're thinking of growing your wealth, no, nagsisimula pa lang tayo, now is not really the best time to buy because mahal. The time to buy, the time to buy is when it's mura. At the moment, it's not mura, no? Yung mga nagsasabing now is the time to buy, they are selling. So I need you to understand this simple concept, no? When there is a hype, no, when there's a hype, it's not really the best time to buy, it's the best time to sell. Kasi yung mga nanga-hype, yun yung nagbebenta. Okay, yun yung nagbebenta. So, bottom line, no, you need to, lahat ng investment instruments, gold, o kung ano man, lahat ng investment instruments are good. The only thing that you need to understand is ano ba yung objective mo, ano ba yung realidad mo, and yung timing, no? Is it really the best time to buy now? Or is it the best time to sell? As a matter of fact, I am thinking of selling these, no, at the moment kasi talagang best time to sell ngayon dahil nga mataas ang value, not to buy. Hindi ka makakamura kasi it's a cycle. Time will come, bababa na naman siya, and then yung pagbaba na yon, that's the time to buy. Sasabihin ng mga oh, matakot kayo, bumababa na yung gold, bumababa. Yan, mananakot naman. Ngayon kasi hinahype nila. Sa susunod, mananakot na sila. Ba't sila mananakot? Kasi, pagka natakot kayo, magbebenta kayo. That's the time they will buy. So, ngayon, hinahype nila kasi gusto nila magbenta. So, kayo naman bibili. Sa susunod, kapag bumaba na yung ginto, for whatever reason, whether valid or kung ano man, pag bumaba siya, tatakutin naman nila kayo, yung mga nanga-hype, tatakutin naman nila kayo. Naku, wala na ng value yung gold nyo, ganyan-ganyan. So kayo naman, magbebenta. Kaya naman nila kayo tatakutin kasi bibili naman sila. Gets ba? I hope so.